November 8th, 2024, Friday. It's just a minute or two past 10 a.m. I'm out at 909 Euclid, Unit 8. The owner asked us to come out and do an inspection here. I posted this 3-day comply or vacate at the owner's request. That was posted on Monday, and obviously still here on the door. So we're gonna see if we can get in. I haven't heard from the owner this morning. She said she was gonna give me a code, but we haven't been able to get a hold of her. So we'll do as much as we can, and if we don't hear anything, then we'll call it good, and I'll pass along what video we're able to get to the owner. So here we go. Try the doorbell. I heard it make a sound, but okay, I'm going to test just to see if it's unlocked. I don't expect it to be. Nope, it's locked. So we will just film the outside here as much as possible. Blinds are shut. Curtains are shut. So can't really see in. And there's not much other than that we can do. We're going to go around to the back and see what we can see there. This is going to be 10. This is going to be 8. Okay, I'm going to knock here. See through the window. Can't really see anything.
That's the back room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And blinds are closed. So there we go. All right, dude, that's about the best we can do under the circumstances.
Okay.
So we're gonna hang out until about 10:15, maybe 20 after 10. I'll try reaching the owner again, and if we're not able to do that, then we will go ahead and go. So we'll just hang out here in the parking lot and try to figure out what's going on.